Hello, I'm Nadya Konadu, and I'm majoring in computer science at Macalester College.
My name is Allison Arnold. I'm majoring in software engineering at Iowa State University.
My name is Ayman-Yereem Kone. I study simulation and game design with a focus on coding. I'm from the University of Baltimore.
So the main objective was to use VR and AI to revolutionize research writing instruction. So we did this by creating a virtual reality environment that emulates the academic research community. And we immerse learners in this interactive virtual world to enhance their understanding of the values, beliefs, and conventions within the research writing community.
So as a group, we did some interview, we designed it, we did some research, so how to design. As an individual, I did a lot of coding. I implemented I created the virtual environment and also implemented some of the APIs.
This project was a collaborative effort involving teamwork, trial and error, and close cooperation to create the VRE. Everyone just worked together to address challenges and brainstorm solutions.
My role in the project was mainly dealing with data collection and analysis, as well as research writing. I did a lot of work on the comparison testing component of our project, where we had participants test 2 different types of text interfaces to determine which felt the most natural when interacting with the NPCs in the virtual environment. I helped write out the experiment process and questions, manage the survey software, and analyze the results.
The hardest part was that when I started, I really had no experience at all with virtual reality and AI, and I had to learn. And it ended up going pretty well. I'm pretty satisfied with how it went.
So I would say the most interesting part of this project was definitely helping build the prototype, so the virtual environment. Working on this environment helped me to explore the exciting possibilities of immersive technology in education and witness the potential impact it could have on teaching research writing.
I learned a lot over this summer. I got a taste of formal research in graduate school, earned skills pertaining to my major, and met a lot of cool people who do a lot of cool things.
It's definitely an incredible opportunity to immerse oneself in a dynamic and supportive learning environment, and most importantly, seize every opportunity to learn and explore and innovate, as this program is a stepping stone towards personal and professional growth that will stay with you long after it ends.